Hi guys, welcome to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4, the B6 and B7 platforms, and we're looking at how to remove your electric window motor. The process is exactly the same for all four doors. The plugs that are in the bottom can vary a little bit depending on the options that you've got fitted to your car and whether you're on the front door or the rear doors. But the basic principle is exactly the same. One thing to bear in mind is obviously to gain access to the motor you do have to remove your door card panel. And if you're unsure on how to do that, it's quite simple on these. We've actually already recorded a video for you, so I'll add a link below. If you scroll down below this video to the information section, you'll find a link there. So if you need to click through and check out the door card video, please go ahead and do that. Once that's removed, you'll be at this stage and we can focus on the motor itself. So taking a quick look at this, you can see the electrical connectors on the bottom there. The large one there, this is the front driver's side for us. So this one got removed when we removed the door card. If you're doing a rear one or whatever, it might have been this one that was removed. Irrespective, what you want to do is get these plugs removed from the bottom. Now, depending on which side of the car that you're working on, as you can see, the little latches are actually on the backs of the plugs, which makes getting them out a little bit tricky. These little kind of safety latches that you have to press in. If you're working on the opposite side of the car, literally these are around the other way, so you've got nice, clean, easy access. Very, very easy. So you've got a choice. We can either fiddle around with them, or you can undo the screws, pop it off, and then pop the electrical connections off at the end, which is what I'm going to do in this instance. So we have 3 Torx screws. These are these silver-headed screws just dotted around the outside of this circular section. So these are the 3 screws that we need to remove. So we've removed the 3 screws. You'll notice it's in there still quite tightly. You have to kind of grab the whole thing and give it a bit of a wiggle to free it. And what will happen is the centre of the motor, this section right here, pops out from the centre there. And as I mentioned before, you may have already detached your electrical connectors from the top, but if you didn't, because you wanted to do it at the end, where you've got the easier access to the catches, then obviously now's the ideal opportunity to do that. The little one, sorry, the kind of square black one on the end often gets stuck. There he goes. 9 times out of 10 those ones get stuck. But there you go. So as you can see guys, that's the electric window motor completely removed.